Escape to a stunning 5-bed, 3-bath home sits on 43 plus acres of breathtaking countryside. This newly constructed home boasts hardwood floors, crown molding, and spacious rooms, making it a true showstopper. The acreage is a nature lover's paradise, complete with a small stream, walking trails, a camping area, fire pit, and multiple hunting spots. With its prime location just 20 minutes from Dale Hollow Lake, this incredible property offers endless opportunities for outdoor recreation and relaxation. Please check out video description to contact with the listing agent. Thank you for watching.